Let's talk about NFTs. It has taken the world by storm in the last couple of months. And this guy shook the world by storm by purchasing an NFT that's $69.3 million. This guy is Vignesh, the chief financier of crypto-based fund Metamask. He bought a digital art piece the first 5,000 days by Beeple. But because we don't have millions of dollars to splash, if you do, please send some over. Ethereum link is in the description down below. But jokes aside, I'll really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. And with that, let's get on with today's video. Hello beautiful people, hope you guys are all doing well, and I'm always happy to see your smiling faces. Although it's always a teleprompter and that's what I'm looking at, but that's that. So unlike Vignesh, I do not have millions of dollars to purchase an NFT, but I've been trying out AXIE Infinity for probably a month or so, and it has been quite an interesting time as well. So AXIE Infinity is a play to earn model game, unlike games that we play which are usually paid to play or you pay to win. AXIE Infinity rewards the gamer in cryptocurrencies tokens that can be sold on an exchange for other cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna put it out there that I do not play this game very often, but what I have are a team of scholars who are playing the game and we split the earnings, and from their experience, I do learn a little bit about the game as well. So as a manager in this case, I fork out the fee to purchase the Axies, and to start you need a team of 3 Axies, and Axies now range from 0.001 Ethereum all the way to 1 Ethereum or even more. And at the time of recording, the price of ETH is probably $3,400 right now. And depending on the team that you are buying, the investment can be anywhere between $100, $600 or $1,000 per Axie, which means that it will roughly set you back averagely $1,000 to get started with a team. And definitely the cheaper the Axie are, the more challenges you'll have in climbing the ranking ladder, and we'll cover that in a later part of the video. So as mentioned, I'm not very good with the game, I'm just running scholarships. And with the scholarship system, I loan my Axies out to scholars who are able to play the game and earn SLP. And SLP, or Smooth Love Potion,
did you say a love potion?
Is the native token to the game which is used to breed more Axies if you are going down the breeding route. So my scholars and I split the SLP earned, and this way they get to earn some income and I get an ROI on my investment as well. So to get started with AXIE Infinity is pretty simple, you just need 3 things. So the first thing you need is a Ronin wallet, Metamask, and some Ethereum. The Ronin wallet allows you to do transactions between your browser to AXIE Infinity's DM. And Metamask is used to fund your Ronin with WETH, which is used to purchase Axies, land or items on AXIE Infinity. So what you need to do now is to download Ronin wallet and Metamask. I'll leave links in the description so you are directed straight to them. And once those are done, you can add them into your Chrome browser and it should appear as a plugin. So after that, you're able to go to axieinfinity.com to download the game and start buying Axies on the marketplace. So to download is pretty simple, just hit the play now button and the download should automatically start. So if you're on Android mobile, you're able to download the game through the Play Store or by visiting the website. But if you're like me, who is an iOS user, a laptop or desktop will be the way forward until there's an update or when it releases on the iOS App Store. So on axieinfinity.com, you're able to see the marketplace. So this is sort of where you see all sorts of Axies being put up for sale, and the recently sold ones and the ones that are just listed and much more. So to start interacting with the marketplace, the first thing that we have to do is to import our Metamask wallet into Ronin. So if you already have a Metamask, just hang on with me for another 2 minutes. I'm just going to guide those without how to create an account on Metamask and to link it with Ronin. So if you're new to Metamask, it's very simple, just create a new account. And then you're going to hit onto that colorful circle where you can see settings. Then you're going to hit security and privacy. And then you're going to hit review secret recovery phrase. So make sure no one sees this. What you're going to do next is to key in your password and it will reveal a string of words. So you must write down these words because it's the only way to access your wallet, and if you lose these phrases, you're going to lose all the tokens, all the NFTs that have been stored in your Metamask.
will lose everything.
Next, we're going to hit onto the Ronin logo. We're going to hit import wallet and key in the seed phrase that you have written down earlier, and it should automatically link your Ronin to your Metamask. So when that's all done, we've got your Ronin and your Metamask settled, we're going to go back to the AXIE page and we're going to click login with Ronin wallet. And this should bring you to your account page. So in your account page, you'll see a variety of things. But the first thing that we need to do is to convert your Ethereum in your Metamask to wrap Ethereum in the Ronin wallet. But since I've already converted my 1 ETH into WETH, and hence you're able to see it in my Ronin wallet. But if you haven't done so, it's pretty simple. Just make sure you have Ethereum in your Metamask. You can transfer it from your exchange into Metamask if you don't have any. So next, we're going to go on to AXIE Infinity's page. We're going to click on Deposit to Ronin, which will bring us to a new page called the Ronin Bridge. So upon clicking onto the Ronin Bridge, it will prompt you to log in into your Metamask and a pop-up will appear to sign a transaction. So once you have done all that, you'll see this page. So next, you're going to key in your Ronin address, and to retrieve it, you can click onto your Ronin icon in the browser, copy the address and paste it in. And then next, we'll pick the asset and the amount that you want to transfer in. And in this case, we'll be selecting ETH or Ethereum because we are transferring Ethereum into Ronin. So once you have selected the amount that you want to transfer in, just click on to next. So the fees might be high during different timings of the day and depending on the number of transactions that's happening right now. Thus, always check before hitting the transfer button because it can be really expensive if you do it at the wrong time. And I'll leave all the links where you can search up all the different transaction fees in the description down below as well. So once all that is done, you'll see that your Ronin will have WETH. If it doesn't come through, it takes a while, just gotta be a little bit patient.
Patience!
So when purchasing your AXIE, there are a couple of things that you want to look out for, like the amount of breeds, the purity of the AXIE, as well as the card combos. So zero breed is important because if you intend to breed your Axies, it's cheaper to breed when it's zero count. Because a 0 out of 7 breeds will cost 2 AXS and 300 SRP, and it will scale and increase to 6,300 SRP and 2 AXS for those with 6 out of 7 breeds. So purities is important for breeders because when you breed Axies and to sell in the marketplace, having purebreds usually fetch a higher price, and for players, having purebreds is easier to fight in the PvP arena as well. So next we have cards. Cards combo or cards are basically skills that your Axie has. Each Axie will have 4 skills, and there are some cards that will combo with each other and can dish out really high damage or give you really high shields. Or you can also debuff your opponent, which can be very helpful at different timings of the gameplay. How do you earn SRP? In a game, there are 2 modes, Adventure and Arena. By clearing stages in the Arena mode, it earns you SRP, and it goes without saying, the higher the level you clear, the more SRP you'll gain. However, you need to grind because your Axies will always start at level 1, of which you need to train them to gain higher level, and this in turn helps you clear higher stages as well. So in the Adventure mode or PvE mode, Player versus Environment mode, you're able to earn up to 50 SRP every day by clearing these stages. So the second way to earn SRP is by fighting in PvP or the Arena mode. This allows you to earn MMR each season, and the higher MMR you are, the more SRP you earn for climbing the ladder. And the top 1000 players after each season will get rewarded with AXS when the season ends. So in the Arena, you can earn a range from 1 SRP to 20 SRP depending on your MMR and the ranking. The higher rank you are, the more SRP you get per week. So on a side note, there's also daily quests that you can complete, which means that every single day, the minimum you can earn is 75 SRP. So once you farm or earn those SRP, it will be locked up for 14 days, and after 14 days, you're able to unlock it and send it to Binance, where you're able to sell it for USDT or other tokens. So I myself have played it a few times, but I'm not great at it. But because I'm running a scholarship, my scholars do provide me with knowledge and experience. And what was mentioned that as long as you manage your combos well, you manage your energy well per round, your teams will have higher chances of clearing stages or climbing the ladder pretty quickly. So let's talk about scholarships. This is where I earn one of my streams of passive income, and this allows me to help others earn an income during their spare time. But do keep in mind that starting a scholarship can be pretty capital intensive, because you need to fork out money to buy these Axies, and then you're going to loan these Axies out to scholars who will then play the game. So for scholars on the other hand, they can earn SRP without any upfront capital, and the more SRP they earn, the more they get back as well. So far, I have 4 teams running and I might be opening up to more scholars, so I've left a form in the description where you can sign up to be a scholar if you're keen. For potential managers who are looking to run scholarships, you can potentially earn hundreds of dollars to a few $1,000s depending on the number of teams that you have and how well your scholars are doing in the different modes of PvP or PvE. But as the game progresses, there will be new updates, new metas for PvP, and there will be much more interesting gameplays that are available. And there's a new update coming up later part of September. I'm pretty excited about that. So that's the end of the video. Do let me know in the comments down below if I've missed out something, or there are certain tips or certain tricks that you have. Share with me. Otherwise, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.